Hello everyone, welcome to Oboard. Today we will talk about user roles and permissions that they will give. Let's start with the full list. Here you can see it. We have readers, users, groups and workspace admin. The first one, reader. It will give you the permissions only to view the information. However, you can't edit, delete or create anything at all inside the app. The next one would be the user and user no delete. They are quite similar and there is only one difference between them. Users can create OKRs, can edit OKRs assigned to them. What it means is that you have to be either an owner of an OKR or a stakeholder. This will give you the edit permissions. And you can also delete OKRs assigned to you. User non-delete obviously doesn't have this function. The next one would be group leader. Also quite similar to user, so you can create OKRs, you can edit OKRs, however here not specifically assigned to you, but assigned to your group or team. So you can edit or delete OKRs that are assigned to your group. And the last one would be workspace admin. Workspace admin can edit all the OKRs inside the workspace except for the private OKRs that they do not see. In addition to that, workspace admins have access to workspace settings. So for example, I'm admin of the product workspace. I will be able to set up groups present in these workspaces, add or delete users from these groups, add users to this particular workspace without affiliation with any group, create intervals for this particular workspace, and manage the workspace settings themselves. Meaning here you can set up your name of the workspace, ID, and whether it's public or private. How to set roles for the users. So the first place would be you go to general settings, you scroll down, and here you will see default user role. So for all new users accessing the app or a workspace for the first time, you can decide on a default role that will be assigned to them. Just simply select the one that you want. For example, you want all new users to be only readers, and then manually, one by one, you will give them more permissions when needed to. Next, how to manage roles for already existing users. Two places on how you can do that. First is group and users. So here you switch to the users tab, open any user, and you see the list of workspaces this user is part of, and for each workspace you can set a separate role. In workspaces, how you can do it is obviously the same. You open a particular workspaces, you switch to the users tab, here select the user for which you want to change the role. That's it. The only difference here is that in workspace settings you can actually change user roles in bulk. So here, for example, let's select everyone or just a few of them, yeah. And then below you will see a button called change role. You click on it, you select the needed role, and this role will be applied to all users in this workspace that you selected. And that's probably it. Thank you a lot for listening, and see you next time.